Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up a Shopify discount, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create promotions for your store that attract customers, increase sales, and, most importantly, keep your business profitable. Whether you're launching your first sale or just want to make your discount smarter, this guide will give you everything you need. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your store's control panel, almost like the cockpit of an airplane. Everything important happens here, so make sure you're signed in. From your admin dashboard, look for the tab that says Discounts. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your store's deals and promotions live. Even if you've never created a discount before, Shopify makes it pretty easy to get started. Next, choose Create Discount. You'll notice that Shopify gives you 4 different discount types. You'll see options like amount off products, buy X, get Y, amount off order, and free shipping. Take a second to think about what fits your goal. But for this walkthrough, let's set up an amount off products deal. This one's a classic, super popular with customers, and straightforward to manage. Now, to make your discount code, select Generate Random Code. Shopify will create a unique string of letters and numbers for you, almost like handing out special tickets to your best deals. If you want something catchy, you can customize the code, but the random generator helps prevent coupon abuse. For the discount value, go ahead and type in 10%. This means anyone who uses your code gets 10% off eligible items. A solid incentive, but not so deep that it cuts into your profits. If you're not sure what percentage to offer, start small and test. You can always tweak this later as you learn more about your customers. Eligibility is next, and I recommend all customers, unless you're planning something exclusive, say, a deal for newsletter subscribers or VIP shoppers. Making it open to everyone ensures your offer reaches as many people as possible and drives more traffic through your store. Let's add a minimum purchase amount of $1,000. This is a smart move for protecting your margins. It means shoppers have to spend at least this much before they can use your discount. Think of it as encouraging bigger baskets, which is especially useful if you sell higher value items or want to discourage small, unprofitable orders. To keep things fair and avoid people gaming your system, set the maximum discount uses to 1 use per customer. That way, shoppers get rewarded without unlimited access, just like giving everyone a single golden ticket. Here's a helpful tip. You can also set an end date for your discount. This is handy if you're running a flash sale or want to create urgency. People respond quickly when a deal is limited. And don't worry if you miss something in the setup. Shopify will gently remind you of any required details before you complete the process. Once your options are all set, click Save. If Shopify spots anything missing, it'll flag it for you. Just fill in whatever's needed, then hit Save again. And that's it. Your discount is ready to go. So that's how you set up a smart, profitable discount in Shopify from start to finish. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I love hearing from you guys and helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials that help your business grow. See you in the next video.